Hi there guys, welcome back to another pricey Roblox Studio tutorial. In our prior tutorial we have learned how to make this key here, and before that we have learned how to make this door that would display a message when the player touches the door. It says need a key to open the door, and here we have a key but yet we cannot open the door. Today we're going to learn how to open that door with a key. All we need to do is to change the script to the door to open the door with the key. But before we do that, I just want to show you something. Let's go to the workspace. We're going to expand the workspace. We're going to look for my character. We're going to expand my character. You can see my character is holding the key. And here's my character and here's the key. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go and change the script to the touch event of this door so that we can open the door with the key. Alright, so here we are back inside Roblox Studio, and first we're going to go to the door. We're going to look for that script, the touch event script. Here is our touch event script. And whenever the door is touched, it's going to call this function. And it's checking to make sure that it is a humanoid that is touching the door. Then it's getting the player. It's going to fire the remote event to display the message. But now we're going to add something. We need to add a checking to see if the player has the key. Then we don't need to fire the remote event to send the message because we're just going to open the door. So here right after the debouncing variable or statement, I'm going to insert an if statement. If. And remember, the key is inside the character. In this case, the character is otherPart.parent. So here is my character right here, right? OtherPart.parent. I'm going to copy that. So I'm going to say if otherPart.parent colon find first child, which is the key. Then I'm just going to accept the AI recommendation here. So if we find the key, we're going to destroy the key, and then we need to destroy the door. We need to open the door, so we need to say part colon destroy else. So I'm going to change this to an else statement. We want to find the player, so we can fire the remote event to the player to say that the player needs to have a key to open the door. And I believe we need to add an end statement here. Let's go up here and reformat our document so it looks nicely. Before I playtest, what I want to do is I want to remove this key from the starter pack. So I'm going to drag the key and I'm going to throw it inside the workspace. Let's take a look, see where the key is. And there is the key. I don't want to put it there, so I'm going to move it somewhere else. One more thing I want to do here is I want to turn on collisions on the key. So I'm just going to go to the handle. And I'm going to look for the collisions, can collide property, check that box. We just want to make sure the key is not going to fall through the base plate. Also, another thing I want to do is I want to move this key closer to the door so I can reach it easier. So we're just going to click on move, and we're going to move this closer to the door. All right, now let's play test and take a look. I'm going to go to my door, and there's the key. It's laying on the floor. I'm not going to take the key right away because I want to test this door. So you can see I touch the door and it says need key to open door. So now I'm going to go and look for the key. Now I have the key. I'm going to go back to the door and let's see if we can open the door. And there it is. We have opened the door. We got through the door. Guys, that is how you make a key lock door. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Take care everyone. Peace.